Hey guys, welcome to iBanter. We're going to talk about Control Panel 101. So here I'm going to give you some really helpful tips. So when you look at your phone, I want to do so many things with my phone, but how do I do it? You're making it so complicated. So when you go in here, this is the control panel. This is basically the main home screen. So on your computer, it's like the start or like the main area where you see all your shortcuts. Here, a lot of people don't know, but actually all these buttons, you can customize the size. So you hold on to here. Nope. You click plus on the top left. You can drag it out. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. However you want to do it. And that'll make it a lot more personalized to your liking. Secondly, you can actually scroll from the bottom and click add a control. So these are controls. These are all these features you can add to your control panel. This is your translate, text size, stopwatch, that's a good one. And also your apps that you have downloaded, they may have some special buttons that you can add to it as well. There's that one. And did you know you can actually get into these features as well? Obviously you can just turn it on and off just by clicking on it. But did you know you can open it bigger and actually see more features? Oh, I see my Wi-Fi. That's my Wi-Fi name right there. Oh, cellular. If I want to click on Wi-Fi, let's say I want to change my Wi-Fi. Let's say I'm on a hotspot to do something else. You hold on Wi-Fi. These are all the Wi-Fi networks that are near you. So say I click here, oh, I want to join this one, the promise. Click on that one, add password. It's that simple. So if I get back into it, hold on to here. Same with Bluetooth, you can turn on personal hotspot, which is not accessible by just the main control panel. Let's say you want to turn the brightness. Brightness is easily accessible here. But if you hold on to brightness, you can turn on night shift, true tone, or dark mode. True tone is actually to make you more easy to fall asleep. So it's more, there's less blue light. So we all know blue light is not good for sleeping. It keeps us up. So let's say before sleep, you would just go in and turn on true tone. Also right here, music, you can see your full screen right there. Yeah, there's so much you can do in this control panel. And also your flashlight, I like this one the most. Let's end off with this one. Flashlight, this just turns on a flashlight like this, right? But what if it's not bright enough? What if it's too bright? How do you do it? Oh, do I have to go in settings and find the option and change it? No. You just go into here, long press on flashlight, and there's your option. Level 1, level 2, level 3. There it is. So right now, those are some helpful tips for your control panel, and hopefully you can navigate your phone way better and more easier. There you have it. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like the content. Almost forgot. Hope you have a good one. Please hit the bell icon if you like the content. Have a good one. Peace.